Hello, today I'm going to do a tabletop review of this Parker Hale Safari bolt action rifle, chambered in 6.5 by 55 Swedish cartridge, which was developed in partnership between Sweden and Norway. They developed the 6.5 by 55 in 1894. But this rifle is a Parker Hale. The company started manufacturing rifles in the 60s using Spanish Santa Barbara actions. These are M98 commercial Mauser actions, and they continued manufacturing until 1990 when the company was sold to the Gibbs Rifle Company. Parker Hale also made military sniper rifles for many of the Commonwealth countries, including the UK. The bolt has two forward locking lugs. I will show you that in a second here. So here we can see the two forward locking lugs, and then it has this rear third safety lug. And the action features control round feeding. That's what this is, control round feeding, and has a fixed ejector, which is inside and on the far side here. This is the bolt removal as well as the ejector. The magazine holds 4 rounds down plus 1 in the chamber, so it's a 4+1 magazine, and it features a swing out. And the trigger guard is unfortunately aluminum, but the floor plate is steel, and obviously the barrel in action. This particular rifle features a 22-inch barrel. It has a front sight. I have the rear sight removed. I just had it recently to a gunsmith to have it re-blued. The other feature on these Parker Hale rifles that is quite unique and different from the military Mausers is that this features a really good aftermarket trigger. This is not a military trigger. It contains just a 2-position safety, so that is fire, or safe, and fire. I've got it set up with a 2.5 to 8 Leopold Vari X3. Some other unique features about this rifle: it has the sling swivels as opposed to the modern style sling studs. It features a beaver tail forend, which makes it easier to grip when you're shooting. And it contains quite a big palm swell pistol grip at the back, and the wood itself is really nice, figured walnut. The round that this rifle shoots is a 6.5. You can see here. This is Frontier brass, which is made by Hornady. It shoots 140 grain bullet. These are Hornady SSTs at just over 2,600 feet per second. It's an excellent all-around deer cartridge, medium-sized game. You can take black bear easily. Moose, they take in Sweden, they use this cartridge for moose all the time, but often I think they use the 160 grain round nose bullets. But I'm sure it would do a fine job if you kept the distance reasonable, and it would be fine for elk as well.